In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign an issue to multiple users in Jira. This is a handy skill to have because it helps streamline collaboration within your team, making your project management process more efficient. Let's dive right in. First, we'll navigate to the Jira settings. You can find this by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner of your dashboard. From there, you'll want to select Issues and then Custom Fields. This is where we'll create the custom field that will allow you to assign issues to multiple users. Next, look for the option to Create Custom Field. Once you click on this, you'll be presented with a variety of field types. Scroll through and select the Group Picker, which allows for single or multiple group selections. This is essential for assigning a task to multiple users or teams. Now it's time to name your new custom field. Think of a descriptive name like Assigned Team to make it clear to everyone what this field is used for. You can also add a description if you'd like to provide more context, but this step is optional. With your custom field ready, click on Create. This saves all the settings you've chosen and prepares this field for use within your projects. Our next step is to go back to the specific project where you want to use this new field. Once you're in the project, look for the three dots next to the project's name. Clicking these will bring up additional options where you should select Project Settings. In the project settings, you'll find an option labeled Issue Types on the left panel. Click on that and it will display all the issue types currently available in your project. Select the issue type where you want to incorporate your new custom field. Now, over in the right panel, look for the custom field that we've just created. It should be listed there, ready for you to use. You'll want to drag and drop it into the field section of your issue. This is the step that integrates the custom field into the specific issue type, allowing it to be used effectively by your team. After you've positioned the custom field where you want it, make sure to save your changes. There's nothing worse than doing all this work only to have it lost because you forgot to save. Hit Save Changes and everything will be locked in. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up a way to assign an issue to multiple users in Jira, enhancing your team's ability to collaborate and stay on top of tasks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. See you in the next video.